My Story is where we have influential people come and tell their stories of success in their own words. So there's no middle person, there's nobody that can filter whatever. You're going to hear from Sarah, right? You're going to hear from Lakeisha, and let them tell you how they became who they are.
That's good.
So I'm the president and CEO of WURD Radio. My family owns WURD. We're the only African American talk radio station in Pennsylvania, one of only 3 in the country. So we're a rare breed, and I've been running the station since 2010. And before that, I co-founded an African American health magazine called Health Quest, and ran that for 10 years.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
My name is Keisha Hudson. I am the owner of Ite Products, and I am a good friend of Boomy, and I am so grateful that Boomy reached out to me and asked me to come and be a part of this panel tonight, because I love speaking and I'm a very helpful person, so I'm very happy to be here. Thank you. I've been a business owner for 24 years. Yes, and I've been a salon owner for 24 years, and I've been running my product company for 20 years. So yes, I've all of my life, that's all I really know is entrepreneurship.
So this notion of having it all is like, I told someone that I was just going to laugh the whole panel, because it's a little bit of a joke. You know, this idea of being able to have it all. I mean, it's like, I feel like I have so much. I mean, I am incredibly grateful for everything, all the experiences, but they do come at a cost. You know, all of this stuff comes at a cost, and sometimes you don't even know what the cost is until much later. Wow. You don't know what you are jeopardizing or compromising until you know, you're looking at it retrospectively. But there have been many a sleepless night. Wow. And it is an awesome responsibility and pressure to have to confront you know, how you not just get in business, but how you stay in business. And how you grow.
Money is not really the factor. And don't even, like, let that be the last factor. Really, it depends on whatever you want to do. Like, let's just say somebody wanted to start their own radio station, or they wanted to, you know, start their own, whatever it is. Like, you start off, to me, start off very, very small. You can grow big fast, or, you know, or later down the line. But just focus on the item, the product, and the service. And at some point, finances are going to start coming along the way.